As the first light touches the forest, a strange bird remains still, blending perfectly with moss and bark. This is the Nightjar, the master of disguise. As daylight rises, other birds fill the forest with song and flight. But the Nightjar stays silent, for sunlight is its enemy. When the sun burns high above, it hides within the shadows. Its feathers merge with the dark, a natural shield from the blazing day. Only when the light begins to fade does it rise again. Its wings move in silence through the dusk, returning to its world the calm of night.